In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment recipient. To begin, sign in and go to Recipients. If you need to change the account you're adding the recipient to, you can do this using the two drop-down boxes at the top of the screen. Then click Create Recipient. Select whether you're adding an individual or an organization. Now simply fill in the required information. Tips on how to complete these fields correctly are provided to the right, under Validation Requirements. Once that's done, select a payment reason from the drop-down and enter a default payment reference. You can still add a different reference when making a payment. To continue, click Next. Now choose the recipient's bank country and payment currency, and enter their account details. Then, click Next. Follow the steps on screen to complete a quick verification process. Finally, click Confirm to finish. Your new recipient is now set up and ready to receive payments.